Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and in this video I am going to show you how to make some Glacier bases. If you enjoy our videos and want to see more of them, head on over to our EonsOfBattle Patreon. Here are the paints I'll be using. You can find a list of materials in the description below. Alright, breaking from tradition, first I will be priming the naked bases white. This will make more sense later. Next I used some hot glue and I carefully made some puddles on the base. I had to be careful not to let the hot nozzle touch the base because it would remove my primer. Then, to add more height, I went over my puddles again with more hot glue. Once everything was cool, I used a pair of tweezers to take off all of the little strings left behind by the hot glue gun. Then, I poured some super glue all over the base, and then I sprinkled baking soda onto the glue. The super glue is absorbed by the baking soda and dries almost instantly, creating a transparent resin-like finish. It took about 3 coats of glue and baking soda to create a nice glacial appearance. And it's extra convincing because the materials are a little transparent, just like ice. I let the glue dry and then it was time for painting. First, I put a blue wash over the whole base. I'm using some Army Painter Quickshade Blue Tone Wash, mixed with a drop of acrylic medium to thin it. This is going to give me my sexy ice look. Then, after that was dry, I mixed myself up some snow. To make this, I mixed together white acrylic paint and some drywall spackle. If you want fluffier snow, add in more spackle, or if you want wetter looking snow, add in less. I then applied this mixture to the base with a damp paintbrush, leaving the tops of the glaciers showing through. If you like our stuff, stay tuned for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Then to add a little snow texture, I sprinkled on some Army Painter Battlefield Snow. This is optional, but I think it's going to make the snow look a lot more realistic. After that dried, my bases were finished, and the only thing left to do was to paint the skirt of the base black. And there you have 3 chilly glacier bases. These would look great for some Arctic warriors or ice giants. If you are looking for another snow base, check out our terrifying tundra base. Find this video and lots more like it on our basing playlist, where you will find dozens of unique and awesome bases. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.